Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is trout opener. Today's gonna be a good day of fishing. I hope we're gonna go out there and slay these trout. I heard they're catching 2 to 3 pounders out there right now, so we're gonna head out there. I got these rods ready, they're all rigged up. I got my net right there for my kids. I just put the bobber and the hook. Probably gonna put some worms or some corn or dough bait on there. But other than that, guys, we're ready to go. We're very ready to go. I mean, we're excited. It's trout opener, ain't that right?
Yeah.
He's excited, we're excited. So see you guys at the water. Hopefully we catch some big ones, guys. I just missed one. I just missed one. Just got bumped again. They're probably over there. I don't know what is it about that spot. Got it? You got it? You got it? What you got? It's a trout. That's a giant bluegill. Look at that. Look at that. We came to fish for trout, catching bluegills, but well, there it goes.
Tossed itself.
Yeah.
Oh, that was fun.
Happy to catch your first bluegill of the year.
Not good.
Just keep throwing it right there.
Just straight forward?
Yeah. What's that? Giant bluegill. Yeah, you can keep that one. Look at that. That's a tanker. Get the pliers. This one's different. Damn, these are jumbos. Jumbos. Ow.
This man is dick.
Jumbos. Jumbos, guys. Look at this. I'll help you right now, Michael. Hold on. These ones are jumbos. Oh, this one is another jumbo. Another jumbo. Here. Put in the net. Put in the thing. Another thick boy. Here, Tony. Another good bluegill. Mikey, he's down, Get him. Get him. Get him. Slowly, I think that's a trout. Tony. Lift. That's a huge one. Thought it was a trout. Look at that. We came trout fishing, we're catching the wrong species. Come here, boy.
Look what they did for the wax one.
Yeah. Oh, you put a wax one?
Yeah. Because I swapped it because the thing was getting no more bites.
Look, mine's getting pulled. Get it. Tony. Calling you. Hold on. You might want... Another kegger.
Another tickers.
Another thick boy. You go trout fish and catch the wrong species. Another kegger. Nah, this one's too small. Rosie, mommy got one for you. Come on, Rosie.
Funny, I got it. We came trout fishing, guys. We haven't caught no trout, but we've been destroying the bluegills out here. It's the first time actually out here trying to catch trout. We came here yesterday actually. We didn't catch nothing. We decided to come back here today, and instead of trout, we're catching bluegills. That's crazy. We're gonna keep at it, see if we can catch a couple more gills. Hopefully some trout. That's really what I wanted to, but looks like they ain't biting today again. So just gonna keep throwing it out there, see what happens. This is a big one. Oh yeah, this is another jumbo. Some big ones today. Never seen bluegill that big out here, guys. We're on fire today. That's rare for me. Get him. Oh, you tangled. Get him. Oh, that's a small one.
That's a smallie. No.
That was no bluegill. Oh, Mikey's hooked up. Mikey's hooked up. Mikey's hooked up. Get him, boy. Get him. Get him, boy.
Is that a good size?
Yeah, that's a good size one. Teamwork right there. Down. Huh? Mikey, you were on. There you go. You lost them again. Your mom's hooked up too? Your mom's hooked up too? Dang. Look at that one. It's like the farther you throw it, the bigger they get. Oh. Just let it sit there, don't be moving it a lot.
Sometimes if it's a bit close, it's a good size one.
There, your mom's hooked up. Your mom's hooked up again. Your mom's hooked up. Look at your mom's hooked up. Just got a dink. And I think he ate the hook. Yeah, Mikey's hooked up. Big one. Big one. How does it feel finally catching fish, Mikey? Let me take it off then. You know how to take it off? Yeah, some small ones. We put a hurting on them. That's why they're moving away.
Oh, this one fights good. Whatever this one is.
Oh my god.
Look at this, guys. Look at guys. Look at this one. Oh my god. Let's try and go out. So let's try and go, Mike. Look at babe. Look at. Look at. Tony. Another jumbo.
Look what she caught. I'm gonna go. Hey Dad, look what Rose caught.
Awesome. Okay, another one, guys. What? It's like they move spots because your mom's taking her time tying hooks every 10 minutes.
Right there.
Yeah, that's fine. You got one, Michael? What is it?
Think?
That could pro.
This is a key.
Let me see. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
As soon as they're pulling it, you pull it, because if you let them eat it, it's gonna always eat the hook.
Okay.
That's what I mean. Because if you keep letting them in, let them pull it, sometimes they'll eat the whole hook. Another one. There you go. Got another one. Another panfish, another bluegill.
Got it, Michael?
You got it, Mike? Just put one last meal worm in. I think we're gonna call it a day. Let me see it. Oh, let's go.
There you go.
What up, guys? I'm back home now from fishing today. Today was a pretty awesome day. We started out at 4 lakes. We went out there early in the morning and we never caught even a trout. So I was like, told the wife and the kids, let's go to Bowman, see what's going on over there. I tried to do trout fishing. We didn't catch no trout, but we found a giant school of panfish, big bluegill. So we just kept on going. The further you casted it, the more you caught. So we just kept doing that, kept doing the same things over and over, and we caught a lot of fish. So hopefully you like this episode. So like always, guys, make sure to share the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. So I have an Instagram now, so make sure to check me out on Instagram too. So until next time, guys, fish on.